In this video, I am going to show you how to create two parallel lines cut by a transversal and then to label all of the different angle measures. First, we need to create 2 points. Okay. Make sure each of these points are labeled with a name. Next, we want to create a line between points A and B. So we will select the line tool and select those 2 points. We want to then create a third point that is somewhere not on line AB. Again, let's give this point a name. Okay. We would then like to create a line that is parallel to AB and passes through point C. So you will select that parallel line tool, select point C, and then select the line that you want it to be parallel to. We go back to move. We're actually able to move these lines around. And if you notice, they always stay parallel. So those lines are never going to intersect each other. We now want to create our transversal. To do that, we will select our line tool again, and we will select points A and point C. We have now created a transversal that cuts across our parallel lines. We now want to add some more points so we can find these angle measures. We will be adding in 6 more points. One will go here, the other will go on line C, another on line AB, another on line AC, and one here in the center of C and A. Our final point is going to be on the opposite side of C. Again, let's make sure all of these points have names. Then we will select these points to start creating the angle measures. So select our angle tool, and let's start up here at point D, and we will select the 3 points, and it will form that angle. And we also want it to show that angle measure. If it does not show that angle measure, you select the angle, go here, and select a value, it will show that value. So do this for all of the angles in the figure. Make sure that you are selecting those points in the correct order so you are getting the correct angles. So you should have 8 total values. Move those values so that you can clearly see all of the numbers. And then you are going to use this to help you answer some of the questions in the worksheet that follows. To move these around, you can drag points C, A, or B, any of those original points, and that will move those lines around. You will need to move these lines and adjust these to see what's going to happen with these different angle measures. This will help you to answer the questions on the worksheet.